Hey, I'm Alex and I've completed my first milestone for my RC robot tank. Currently what I have done is the chassis. My next step will be to do the coating and then after that making the case. So this is not how the RC robot tank is supposed to look. It's supposed to be flat this way and have, well, tank treads. I wanted to model it after something specific, so I decided to make it have two wheels and be flat and much wider. Here you can see these wheels are omnidirectional. Sadly, that's only aesthetic for this model. For stability, because as you can see it's on a bit of a tilt, I have a third wheel called a caster ball. It's essentially just a ball in an enclosure so that it can move freely in all directions. That's so that this can turn effectively. And if there wasn't a wheel here, it would just drag on the ground, which is not ideal. Here I have a gear set, and this gear set is to give torque to the motors. Without the torque, the motors wouldn't have the strength to turn the wheels even if they had the speed. There's also wiring and a Arduino with a motor shield. Now the motor shield is so that the Arduino can give power to motors. Otherwise it simply can't. And as well, the motor allows for much more voltage to come through because the Arduino can only take 5 volts and can only output 5 volts, whereas the motor shield can output as many volts as it wants. And right here is just a 9-volt battery. There's also an interesting problem here where these shafts, these axles here are a different shape and size than the axles here and would not fit in the wheels. What we did was we 3D printed a little collar so that I could attach both shafts and join them together. And now, when the motor moves, the wheel moves in perfect synchronization. Here is a demonstration. It's capable of moving quite quickly, even at half or a quarter of the speed that it is capable of.